For number 57, we're adding two rational expressions. Remember, to add, we have to have the same denominator in both of these expressions. But right now, they're definitely different. So what we're going to do first is we're going to get a common denominator. And in order to figure out what it should be, we're going to factor this quadratic binomial. And as you guys know, you can factor a difference of squares by finding what's squared first, which would be an a, and what's squared second, which is an 8, and adding in one factor and subtracting in the other. So now you can see that they're almost exactly the same denominators, except that this denominator needs an a minus 8. So I'm going to multiply the bottom and top of this fraction by a minus 8. And now I can add the numerators together. So I have a 7 times a minus 8 plus 7 divided by a plus 8 times a minus 8. And when I simplify the numerator, I get 7a minus 56 plus 7 divided by a plus 8 times a minus 8. And I can simplify the numerator again if I combine these like terms, the negative 56 and the 7. Negative 56 plus 7 is negative 49. So I'm going to replace that with negative 49. And then you could, if you needed to, factor out a GCF in the numerator. So you'd have 7 times a minus 7 divided by a plus 8 times a minus 8. Let's check the answer key and see what we get. The answer key leaves the answer like this. So that saves you a step. Remember, your final is going to be multiple choice, so you can look at the answers to see which one is best.